I still can't believe our college trip is finally happening tomorrow. I know. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this trip for weeks. Same here. That sounds amazing. Have you packed your stuff yet? Almost done. Got my sunscreen, jacket, snacks, camera, and power bank. What about you? Just finished packing. I'm taking an extra hoodie in case it gets cold, and a raincoat, just in case it rains. Smart. And don't forget to charge your phone tonight. We'll be taking tons of pictures. Of course. Oh, and did you hear there's going to be a bonfire in the evening? No way. That's going to be so much fun. Singing, games, and tea around the fire? I'm in. I just hope everyone shows up on time tomorrow. The bus leaves at 7 sharp. Yeah, we should all try to reach by 6:30. I don't want to miss a single moment. Me neither. It's going to be the best day of the semester.